says a travel booster seat has to cost an arm. Graco is one of the biggest car booster seat manufacturers on the planet, and in recent years they've come out with some interesting folding booster seats for the masses. But is this Graco booster seat the right choice for your family? In this in-depth, hands-on Graco Turbo GO review, you'll find out what it is, how to use it, and you'll see some helpful real-world comparisons with other booster seats. Let's go! What is the Graco Turbo GO booster seat? At first glance, the Graco Turbo GO is a really simple backless booster car seat. It has a nice big seating area, huge belt guides, and not much else. There are no cup holders. There is no contoured padding. There are no lower anchors to keep it in place when it doesn't have a kid sitting on it. It's just a backless booster seat. But the Graco Turbo GO does have one really nifty trick. When you want to take it on a plane, store it in the trunk for emergency use, or even send it with your child for a carpool, and miraculously folds in half. No fussy levers, switches, or triggers, and no adjustments required. Just grab the back and give it some good old-fashioned elbow grease while you're looking at it upside down, and it'll fold sort of like a book. Its huge red belt guides move along with the back half of the seat so that they're safely stored on the sides when it's folded, and they automatically go right back into place when you click it open. While younger, smaller booster riders might have to practice a little to give enough force, it should be no problem for the older kids who are the target audience for this specific Graco booster car seat. Who is this Graco backless booster seat for? I alluded above to older kids being the target audience. While the minimum weight for the Graco Turbo GO is 40 pounds, the minimum height is 43. On average, kids will hit that height between 5 and 6 years old, though my older one didn't make it until 7 years old, and my 5.5-year-old is nowhere close. For backless boosters in general, I recommend a minimum age of 6 years old. Even at 5 or 6 years old, many kids still need the support of a high-back booster or a harness car seat to sit properly 100% of the time. If you need a backless booster seat for travel or quick carpool rides, the Graco Turbo GO could be a great choice if your 6-year-old is big enough and mature enough. For full-time use, I would consider the Graco Turbo GO for ages 7 and up. How to use the Graco Turbo GO? As I mentioned above, just unfold it. Put it on the car seat and your kid is ready to buckle in. While every booster seat has different rules about whether the shoulder belt goes under the belt guide or over the belt guide, on the Graco Turbo GO the shoulder belt goes under the belt guide. If your child needs the shoulder belt to be a little lower, there's an adjustable shoulder belt guide included. The Graco Turbo GO offers more of a boost than something like the Bubble Bump, so some kids may get a good fit without the adjuster. Just make sure the shoulder belt is making good contact between the neck and the edge of the shoulder. Want to travel with your car seat like a pro? My impressions of the Graco Turbo GO. Overall, I think the Graco Turbo GO is a nifty little seat. Is it as revolutionary as some travel booster seat? No, but that's okay. It does its job, functions well, and take up a little less space than boosters that don't fold. Even if your family isn't planning much travel, the Graco Turbo GO is a solid choice to fold up and throw in the trunk for an unexpected carpool, as it's one of the cheapest booster seats around. The seat will fit very well on my 8-year-old, who was 47 and around 55 pounds. He had no trouble buckling it himself, though I had a bit of a hard time adjusting the shoulder belt guide. It definitely won't slide anywhere unexpectedly, but give yourself time and patience to adjust it the first time. We're lucky to have quite a few booster seats in our arsenal, and which one we take depends on the circumstances of each trip. But the Graco Turbo GO will definitely join the rotation as our kids get bigger and outgrow some of the other super portable options. I will say that my son immediately noticed the lack of padding. Maybe he's spoiled by the plush padding on his usual booster seat. But I understand why Graco had to go with a bare bones cover to accommodate the folding mechanism. But I wouldn't plan to use it for a long road trip, lest there be too many complaints from the peanut gallery. Well, this is my observation with this particular model. Maybe you've experienced something different. So, it would be a pleasure you share yours in the comment section below for the rest of the viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you a great day.